Hi, my name is Janani Ravi and welcome to this course on processing streaming data using Apache Spark structured streaming. A little about myself. I have a master's degree in electrical engineering from Stanford and have worked at companies such as Microsoft, Google and Flipkart. At Google, I was one of the first engineers working on real-time collaborative editing in Google Docs, and I hold 4 patents for its underlying technologies. I currently work on my own startup, Lunicorn, a studio for high-quality video content. In this course, you'll focus on integrating your streaming applications with the Apache Kafka reliable messaging service to work with real-world data such as Twitter streams. First, you'll explore Spark's architecture to support distributed processing at scale. You'll set up a Spark standalone cluster on your local machine and configure the cluster using Spark configuration files. You'll also use the cluster install scripts to start and stop the master and worker processes. Next, you'll install and work with the Apache Kafka reliable messaging service. You'll understand how Kafka publishers, consumers, and topics work, and you'll integrate your Spark streaming application to read and write data to topics in Kafka. You'll also set up a Twitter developer account, which you will use to stream Twitter messages to a Kafka topic, which can then be processed by your streaming application. Finally, you will perform a number of transformation operations on Twitter streams, including windowing and join operations. You'll also see how you can perform sentiment analysis on each incoming Twitter message. We'll round this course off by exploring how you can perform unit testing and end-to-end testing of your streaming application. When you're finished with this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to work with high volume and high velocity data using Spark and integrate with Apache Kafka to process streaming data.